Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm reviewing 7 best vacuums for hardwood floors, carefully selected based on research and testing for various needs. Whether you're seeking affordability, performance, or specific features, I've categorized the products to suit different buyer preferences. Check the description for up-to-date prices and details. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's dive in. Number 1. EUREKA NEN 170 Canister Vacuum. Experience deep and efficient cleaning with the EUREKA NEN 170 Canister Vacuum, delivering 150 W of power and 18 kPa suction strength for superior dirt and debris removal. Seamlessly switch between floor and carpet modes with a simple foot switch, while the fully sealed HEPA filtration system captures 99.9% of fine dust to prevent secondary pollution. Designed for versatile cleaning, it includes a telescopic metal wand for high and low surfaces, a crevice tool for tight spaces, a dusting brush for delicate surfaces, and a turbo pet brush to effortlessly remove pet hair and lint. Despite its power, the EUREKA NEN 170 operates at a quiet 72 dB, making it ideal for homes where low noise is a priority. Whether you're tackling carpets, hardwood floors, or upholstery, this vacuum ensures efficient low-noise cleaning for a spotless home. Number 2. AFNOP Cordless Vacuum. Revolutionize your cleaning routine with the AFNOP Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, engineered for superior suction power and effortless performance. With a 550 W upgraded motor spinning at 180,000 RPM, this powerhouse delivers an impressive 45,000 pascal suction strength, effortlessly lifting dirt, pet hair, and debris from any surface. Enjoy up to 65 minutes of uninterrupted cleaning thanks to the 8 by 2,500 mAh battery, ideal for tackling whole house messes. The intelligent touch display lets you seamlessly adjust suction levels while monitoring battery life and dust cup capacity in real time. The anti-tangle V-shaped brush prevents hair buildup, while 6 LED lights illuminate every corner for a deeper clean. Its 8-stage filtration system captures 99.9% of dust, ensuring fresher air, while the 1.6 L dust cup allows for easy, mess-free disposal. Plus, with AFNOP's 2-year warranty and lifetime customer service, you can clean with confidence. Number 3. Kenmore Bag Canister Vacuum. Keep your home spotless with the Kenmore Bag Canister Vacuum, designed for powerful, whole-home cleaning. Whether tackling bare floors, carpets, or hard-to-reach areas, the 2-motor system delivers exceptional suction strength, while 4 height adjustments ensure optimal airflow for any surface. The HEPA filtration system captures 99.97% of dust and allergens, helping to reduce airborne pollutants for a fresher home. Weighing less than 20 pounds, this vacuum is lightweight and highly maneuverable, making cleaning effortless. Plus, with a 9-foot attachment reach and a 24-foot retractable cord, you can cover more ground without constantly unplugging. The included attachments, a dusting brush, crevice tool, and bare floor tool, make switching between tasks seamless. Perfect for cleaning every corner of your home, car, or garage, the Kenmore Canister Vacuum is built for efficiency and convenience. Number 4. Shark VACMOP Pro. Simplify your cleaning routine with the Shark VACMOP Pro, the ultimate 2-in-1 cordless vacuum mop that vacuums and mops in one easy step. Unlike traditional mops that push dirt around, the disposable VACMOP pad locks in debris with powerful suction before mopping up tough messes. The on-demand spray tackles stuck-on stains with precision, while the no-touch disposal ensures a hassle-free clean. Just toss the used pad without ever getting your hands dirty. With no filters or maintenance required, you can enjoy effortless cleaning every time. Cordless and lightweight at under 5 pounds, it's perfect for quick cleanups, and the LED headlights reveal hidden dust and dirt. The rechargeable lithium-ion battery ensures powerful, uninterrupted performance. Includes 4 disposable pads, a 12-ounce cleaning solution, and a charger. Everything you need for sparkling clean hard floors. Number 5. BISSELL CleanView Swivel Vacuum. Make cleaning effortless with the BISSELL CleanView Swivel Vacuum, designed for powerful pet hair removal and seamless maneuverability. Featuring swivel steering, This vacuum glides around furniture and tight spaces with ease. The triple-action brush roll effectively loosens, lifts, and removes embedded pet hair from carpets and hard floors, while scatter-free technology prevents messes from spreading on hard surfaces. With edge-to-edge cleaning, dirt and debris along walls and corners don't stand a chance. Plus, every purchase supports the BISSELL Pet Foundation, helping to save homeless pets. With a lightweight 12.5-pound design, a multi-cyclonic cleaning system, and a built-in carry handle, this vacuum is as convenient as it is powerful. Keep your home spotless and pet-friendly with BISSELL's trusted performance. Number 6. AZVKEA S17 Cordless Vacuum. Upgrade your cleaning routine with the AZVKEA S17 Cordless Vacuum, featuring a 550W motor that delivers 45 kilopascals of ultra-powerful suction to tackle dust, pet hair, and debris on hard floors, tiles, carpets, and hardwood surfaces. Enjoy up to 60 minutes of uninterrupted runtime with the 3-mode adjustable power display, giving you the flexibility to clean at your own pace. The V-shaped anti-tangle brush works with a high-speed motor and built-in comb to prevent hair wrap, while LED headlights illuminate hidden dust. Its dual-handle design allows for easy under-furniture reach, and the upright feature lets you pause cleaning hands-free. Experience fresh air with the 8-stage filtration system and built-in aromatherapy tablets, which capture 99.99% of fine dust while releasing a refreshing scent. Plus, with AZVKEA's 24/7 customer support, help is always just a message away. Number 7. Nautilus Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Experience effortless cleaning with the Nautilus Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, designed to tackle dirt, dust, and debris with its impressive 26,000 pascal suction power. Whether you're dealing with carpets, hardwood, or marble floors, this high-performance vacuum ensures a deep, thorough clean in seconds. Equipped with a long-lasting battery, it offers up to 45 minutes of runtime in normal mode, giving you ample time to clean your entire home. The innovative V-shaped anti-tangle brush prevents hair from clogging, while the LED floor head illuminates hidden messes under furniture. Its 1.5L dust cup means fewer trips to the trash, and the fully sealed filtration system captures 99% of fine particles, ensuring cleaner air. Plus, its lightweight, cordless design allows for easy maneuverability anywhere in your home. Say goodbye to tedious cleaning, upgrade to Nautilus, and enjoy powerful, hassle-free vacuuming every time. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.